Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Ads keywords. So if you have your Google accounts or Google Ads, you just have to go to content or tools and then you can just type any keywords here that should be related to your business or site or your products. Okay, and finding the terms people use to seek for information on a topic and how frequently those keywords are used in search engines like Google and Bing are both part of the process known as keyword research. The greatest way to identify new, pertinent keywords for your paid and organic search marketing initiatives is through keyword research. Okay, so keyword research is very important. Your internet presence and the expansion of your business are both built on keywords. So, in short, your site, your business is easy to find or easy to locate if you have put the exact or right keywords for that. So, business won't be successful if they can't be found online. Others say that. That's not from me. Leads won't be able to find your advertising or organic listing, visit your website, and convert to paying customers if your keyword search volume is too low and not that useful. So actually Google created or made a site for you to match keyword for your site. So all you have to do is to search. There are tons of sites that offer free keywords or free keyword research, something like that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you this strategy called Google Ads match types and what are the keywords match types. So we have here broad match, we have here phrase match, and we have here exact match. So keyword match types with its corresponding meaning, but actually these are four. We have negative match. Okay, so why is it very important? Okay, so keyword match, your ad will appear on a variety of search queries such as broad match or specific search queries such as exact match, depending on the keyword match type you select. So, the money you spend on Google ad campaigns will help you attract the correct kind of visitors if you use the right keyword match type, increasing your chances of gaining new clients, generating sales, maximizing return on investment. So, if you want to know more about this, there are a lot of sites where you can search the meaning or a deeper knowledge about this keyword match types, this keyword match type. So, as of now, this is the only information that I can give you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.